lot creepy? That's just how excited you are. Hello vlog people, I mean no, hello YouTubes.
We stopped at the fuel station for a break after a ride. It's a bit tiring, but yeah, we had a good ride.
I've had better.
I can see your tires are pretty good. Your boots. Yeah, not bad. Huh? And the sun's coming out again.
What the heck, you drive? Oh yeah, this thing here, can you see? That's an auto hold. So you have to, can you see how my bike is just like rolling back? Obviously I would have to hold the front brake to go, but if you squeeze this, the auto hold comes up and it just stops you from moving. And that's kind of cool. Wait, you guys can tell me, and I mean YouTube, you guys. So it's my birthday next week, but my husband already, like, his present came early because he ordered it online.
You like the present?
But I have refused. Where am I going? I have refused to open it until my birthday.
Do you want to open your present today?
No, because it's not my birthday yet. It's not even in my birthday month. My birthday's in February and it's still January. It doesn't seem. Like then. No, but then what's there to look forward to on my birthday? Nothing. Just sadness.
We can go for dinner.
I guess. That is all. They're all possibilities.
Okay, time to do it.
I'm not ready. Don't scare me like that. Like the guy in the car next to us on the left is talking about the bikes.
Oh, really?
I think so. Well, he's looking over here and pointing with his thumb and moving his mouth. I just made that assumption. That's really mean to wives. Actually, you can kind of squeeze in the middle. What are those little funny backs they're on? Do they have, look at your little cyclist friends on the right. He gave us a thumbs up.
Oh, really?
I think they're like, are they electric or something? They look funny.
Did they give us a thumbs up?
Yeah, because I was staring so hard. So did you know, guys, if I have my clutch in, can I do it here? I can't reach the signal. See? I literally can't reach it.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's not built for hands my size. Bit funny. Actually, it's not. I would say it's not inclusive. Ooh.
Watch out for that car.
Goodbye, vlog.
Thank you, guys.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below something.